It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. I went to Bath and Body Works again. I did it. I got a lot of cool new Valentine's Day and spring stuff. And guess what I wore? Guess what I wore to the store? I wore Love Unleashed. I went a little overboard yesterday, but you know what? It's still my favorite scent. I am wearing this everywhere. Put a little in my hair, reapply. This is definitely still like my favorite scent ever at the moment. So, first up, I'm going to do a little store POV because I took some footage and you're going to see the new floor set. So we're going to start with that. So I wanted to be able to show you what the new Rose Your Way floor set looks like because it's absolutely beautiful. So this is all covered in roses and we do have the fabric care, and then off to the right is the Nocturnal Rose kiosk, and there's a lot of product with that. We're going to talk about it, including the cologne. Check out the cream. To say the new setup, the floor set is absolutely gorgeous. It's so Valentine's, but in a really pretty, classy way. And we haven't even gotten to Valentine's Day yet. Like, we haven't even gotten to strawberry pound cake and sweetheart cherry. So things are looking really beautiful. I also kind of perused the semi-annual sale. I didn't buy anything, but look what my store has. They have an entire bin of Cinderella body cream. I could not believe it. I was like, wow, that's going to go fast. And then on the side wall, they did have the everyday luxuries. They are not like front and center yet, and they did not have the shower gel. It's only the mist and the cream, but the everyday luxuries are starting to roll in. So, of course, the first thing I got was my Love Unleashed in the body cream. So sugared pink pepper, warm neroli, and whipped marshmallow. I'm so excited to put this on now that I have this set. Are you ready? It does smell really good. It's interesting though. The cream is not quite as marshmallowy as the mist. And maybe it's just like a first impression. I gotta do a dry down, but of course you can layer. But it doesn't smell quite, I don't know. I gotta try this. It could be a little cold because it was outside in my car. Yeah, I think I'm starting to get it now. It was just like the initial burst on the mist is so good. Okay, so I'm super happy I got my body cream. I also got my missing one. I got salted shorelines. This is dewy bergamot, warm sage, and salted driftwood. I haven't even smelled this one yet. This is not me. It's very unisex. It's got like an ocean sage kind of vibe. A lot of people are going to like this. It's just not me. Okay, but I got it. Next up, I got Nocturnal Rose. This is so Halloween and like dark Valentine's Day. Like, I feel like this is like the goth collection. My Chemical Romance is like all over this. It is black pepper, wild rose, and cedarwood. So I haven't really completely tried this one out. I smelled the single wick. Let me try it. Oh, I like it. This is a men's collection. It's very mysterious. It's very Gerard Way. I actually like it. I do like it. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is like, can I say that like this is like the first like goth Bath and Body Works collection, which I think is really funny. So I think I'm gonna get some more Nocturnal Rose. I want it in the shower gel. By the way, like nothing's on sale today. It's buy three, get one. I took one for the team because I needed to get this stuff. Okay. Inspire Love. This is the rose oil, inspires confidence and inspires connection and self-confidence, and Vanilla Absolute calms the mind to encourage relaxation. I love this one. It's a new pretty packaging for Valentine's Day. So we're going to be going in depth on a lot of these roses. I'm going to buy some roses so that we can, oh, I love this one, so that we can do a comparison. That smells really good. Like this, to me, this is like a pink rose. I love this one. Yeah, so it's very Valentine's Day. Soap sale today. So I did get blueberry Bellini and strawberry kiwi in the soap. I just got to do a quick sniff on these. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, blueberry Bellini. Next up, oh my gosh, strawberry kiwi. These smell so good. And the packaging is so pretty for spring. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I didn't need soap. Okay, and then I also got, these are flying, you guys. Cozy Vanilla Almond, which is vanilla orchid, sugared almond, and sweet musk, flying off the shelves. Oh my gosh, this is good. Vanilla almond. It's funny. I was at the like little kiosk and people were like, "Oh, what are the?" People are really liking these. Okay, and then look what I got. I got 4 candles. Now candles are on sale today for $15.95. I did use the 20% off coupon in my coupon book. Thankfully, they went down to $12.97. But I did get 4 candles. I'm trying not to over candle myself for spring because spring is not always like my favorite candle time. But I did get the brand new chocolate covered berries. Check this one out. This one is rich milk chocolate, sweet berries, and white chocolate drizzle. So it's kind of a combination of like a milk chocolate, the white chocolate sweetness, and then sweet berries. I love it. I gotta say, I don't know if they're full on like strawberries. I could get a little maybe blueberry in here. It's definitely fruity chocolate, but it smells really good. So there we go, chocolate covered berries. And then we have Wine Cellar. This is a really popular scent. I'm glad they brought it out for Valentine's Day. Mulled apples, fresh fig, and cedarwood. It's so funny. It is like a fall scent, but it kind of works in the winter. This is a very popular, usually semi-annual sale or like Candle Day candle. So it's fine. Wine Cellar will take. The third one I got in this Valentine's Day collection is Vanilla Cloud. This is such a different packaging for Vanilla Cloud. It's Airy Freesia, Vanilla Cream, and Blonde Woods. I love Vanilla Cloud. This one, I think, is my second favorite. Wine Cellar is really nice, but it's intense. Like that cedarwood in there. I think for Valentine's Day, I'm thinking Vanilla Cloud and the chocolate covered berries. We should be getting Sweetheart Cherry, I think, in the candle too. And then I got one of the spring candles. I got Strawberry Peach Sunset, which is peach nectar, fresh strawberries, and vanilla sweet cream. By the way, the retail on these is $24.95. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, yeah. The strawberry, the peach, this is excellent. Look, it matches my window back there. Look at those Adirondack chairs. I thought that was so cute. So yeah, I didn't go overboard on candles at the moment. I'm being good. But still, like my favorite right now is my Love Unleashed. Oh my gosh. I can't not get enough of it. It just, I don't know, there's just something in the mix that totally works for me. Online today, let me just check the website. I don't think anything new landed. If you go to new, I don't think that Love Unleashed is online yet, which is kind of, no, it's disappointing because tomorrow we are supposed to be getting that online body care sale. So you'll be able to scoop up like your warm musk, your fruity musk. I got to review some of those, but I'm not sure that you will be able to get the everyday luxuries unless you do a BOPUS. So that's what I'm keeping my eye on, because if I can do a BOPUS, I'm going to get more, oops, it's slippery, Love Unleashed, and we're going to start really diving in to the roses, because there's more roses I want, and I'm obsessed with Nocturnal Rose. It's a little spicy, but I like it. Anyway, oh my goodness, what an exciting day at Bath & Body Works. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.